Hi, I'm an academic advisor at FLCC, and today I'm going to show you how to register for classes using WebAdvisor and how to check your class schedule. First, go to WebAdvisor, log in, and then click on the Students menu. Once you're in the Students menu, click on Register for Sections, located in the top right corner under Registration. You may be asked to verify your contact information. If this page appears, fill it out and hit Submit. Because you already know the exact course and section number, you can select Express Registration. Leave the synonym column blank and then use the drop-down box to select your subject, and then input the course number, section number, and choose your term. Repeat this for as many classes as needed and hit Submit. You are not registered for your classes yet. They are saved in your preferred course list. Make sure there are no time conflicts and that your classes are still open. Click the drop-down box next to each class and click RG, Register. Click the box Accepting Financial Responsibility at the bottom of the page before hitting Submit. On the next screen, it should tell you that you are registered for your classes. Congratulations! If an error message appears at the top of the page, it is usually due to conflicting class times or the course you're trying to register for has filled and has closed. You can still add full classes to your waitlist by choosing that option in the drop-down menu. If you do waitlist a class, you must monitor your FLCC email. You may receive an email from the One Stop saying you can register for your waitlisted class, and you only have 3 days from the time you receive this email to register. After registering, check your class schedule to make sure everything looks right. Click the Students menu at the top of the screen and click My Class Schedule under the Academic Profile section. Click the drop-down to select the term you would like to view and hit Submit. And on this screen, you should verify that your class schedule looks correct. If you have any questions about this process, please contact your advisor. If you're not sure where to find your advisor, we'll be doing another video to show you how to find that on Starfish.